Living river, carry me on. Living river, carry me on to the place where I come from. River, river, carry me on. Living river, carry me on. Living river, carry me on to the place where I come from. So deep, so wide, won't you take me on your back for a ride? If I should fall, would you swallow me deep inside? River, show me how to float. I feel like I'm sinking down. I thought that I could get along, but here in this water my feet won't touch the ground. I need something to turn myself around. Going away towards the sea. Would you lift up and carry me? Go roll on through the heartland till the sun has left the sky. River, river, carry me high till the washing of the water will make it all alright. Let your waters reach me like she reached me tonight. Letting go, it's so hard the way it's hurting now to get this love untied. So tough to stay with this thing, 'cause if I follow through, I face what I'm running out. I get those hooks out of me, and I take out the hooks that I sunk deep in your side. Kill that fear of emptiness, loneliness I hide. River, oh river, river running deep, bring me something that will let me get to sleep. And in the washing of the water, we take it all away. I need something to take this pain. River, river, carry me on. Living river, carry me on.